I wanted to go ahead and take a look at the Baba chart. Baba chart is looking bullish, still looks very bullish, and it's acting very well. So if you are holding this stock, don't give up on it yet. If you've been holding it since ER and taking a loss, this thing is about to go higher. Now, given the market condition, we don't expect it to pop right away. Might need to give it some more time to work out. But as you can see here, a couple of days ago, we bounced off the support and it got bought up. Yesterday, when the market was really pulling back, stocks were dropping left and right. Baba held up really nicely, showing a lot of relative strength. It again bounced off of support and closed, green. And today here, the price action is also very positive. You have it breaking above the highs of this day, these last two candles, these last 2 days. So you can see that there's some strength breaking above the highs. And so things are looking pretty positive. Now, because it's breaking above the high, I'm going to consider this as a swing low. And so what we see here is we have a low, and then we have a higher low, and this support line becomes a third higher low as of this moment. And if we connect those dots together, the low points together, we can see that there's now a trend going upward, downward trend, and then the breakout point is is where the resistance line is, and this pattern here is called an ascending triangle. And this is not the same thing you see in the SPY chart where it's a rising wedge. The difference is that this resistance line is horizontal, whereas in a rising wedge, the lines are it's a negative slope, indicating that you're getting lower highs, but this one is indicating that you have higher lows but the same highs here, which is a bullish signal. It just means there's resistance here, but once that resistance is cleared, the stock is free to head higher. So everything on this chart looks very bullish. The price action is good considering the market condition. We have a rally today, and it's participating in the rally. It's showing some leadership. So when the market turns, can fully expect this stock to move higher. So if you've been holding, be patient with the stock and give it time to work. It's showing a bottoming pattern and everything looks bullish. Now, if you haven't gotten into the stock, you might want to scale in a small position here so you can get as close to the support line as possible, minimizing your risk. If our theory is correct that this thing should be heading higher, we should not see it breaking this uptrend line. We should not see it breaking this support line. So as long as those things are true, we don't have to do anything with the position, and we keep on holding. Once we see it head towards this breakout line, you're going to have to reassess how the market condition is. Are we in rally mode or are we in pullback mode? If we're in rally mode, you may want to add more position for the breakout itself. But other than that, you just have to sit there and watch the stock. Don't watch every minute and panic or freak out that, it pulled back 10 cents. Stocks need time to work out. Some of you guys, were bearish when it was up here, and you would have been correct. You had 3 days of downside, but now it's starting to move back up. My time frame when I make an entry is to give it at least 15 days to try and make a breakout. And I would reassess as long as it's conforming to the patterns. 15 days, 20 days, 30 days doesn't really matter as long as I have confidence in the stock. So if you are holding it, just be patient. If you're not, might be good to get in on a small scale. I would, personally, I've already scaled in down here per my last video. I bought here and said I would scale in here and then also down here if it had gone down here. So I was stopped in here on the buy, and I'm not going to add anymore because of the market condition. But if you really like the stock, maybe you have a longer time frame than just a trade, this may be a good opportunity to add and put a stop here, because it should not go below this price. So that's it for the BABA update. If you like my video, please click on the like button below this video, and then also click on the subscribe button so that you can get updates when new videos come out. So thank you for watching.